Super excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi. In this video, I'm going to show you two apps, two websites that you can use to make some side income. The strategy that I'm going to show you is not going to make you rich, but it's a good start to make some money, to test the waters of making money using the power of the internet. But what can be a game changer to your finances is what I'm going to announce towards the end of this video. Stay tuned to the end. My channel is all about making money, and I make videos that show people how to make money leveraging the power of the internet. If it is your desire to use the internet to make money, then my friend, you are watching the correct channel at the right time. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. Without wasting your time, my friend, let's jump straight to our first website. The first website we are looking at is called Dosh. It's a secure website. Your information, for example, passwords or credit card numbers, is private when it is sent to this site. Okay, right? That's important to know. Okay, so it says it all adds up. When you use Dosh, you earn cashback when you shop, when you dine, and when you travel. Simply download the app, link your cards, and start earning. No coupons or receipt scanning. Just cash that adds up into your wallet simply by shopping the way you normally do. It's that awesome. So you download the app into your Apple device or into your Android device. Dosh is automatic cash. That's why this is how it works. Create a free account. Connect your everyday cards to Dosh and get automatic cashback from brands. Swipe your card, brands show you love. Dosh deposits the cashback into your wallet automatically. Accumulate $25, then transfer to your bank, PayPal, or donate your cashback to charity. Why it's great? Brands show you love when you shop at Walmart, ASOS, Instacart, Pizza Hut, Disney, Philosophy, and so forth. All right. So these people, they say now we are serious about security and protecting you. It says Dosh does not store any credit or banking information. All credit and debit card information is stored with the leading banking vault, Braintree, a PayPal service where over 1 billion cards are stored by leading institutions via their highly secure tokenization and voting systems. Right, so you can be confident to connect your credit cards where they say, right, connect your everyday cards to Dosh right there, and then get automatic cashback from brands. So that's good to know that they are serious about security. Right, so why it's smart? Ways you can use Dosh. There are so many ways. In many places, you can fill your wallet on Dosh. You can have a look right there, right? Ready to start earning free cash? Your favorite brands choose to give you cashback via Dosh instead of spending it on disruptive advertising. If you hover your mouse on earn cashback right there, you can see, learn how to get instant automatic cashback. You can browse the hotels. So you can get cashback at over 600,000 hotels, right? So that's a worldwide map that, right? My next website that I'm going to show you is called TaskRabbit, right? I tried to check if this website is working in all countries worldwide, right? I've just seen that it works in Canada, in US, in UK, right? Get help from thousands of trusted taskers for everything from errands to contactless deliveries. Okay, so look at the reviews, my friend. 1.1 million reviews have been left on this website. And the score, my friend, is unbelievable. That looks like 4.7 stars out of 5. almost a perfect score. 5 out of 5, 1 million people saying it's 5 stars. Okay, you can download the app, Apple device or Android device, and then, but of course you have to register. There is a registration process that you have to go through. Let me show you the kinds of money which you can earn as a tasker, depending on what you can do, right? So I'm in Manchester, and this one automatically is showing me the projects that are in Manchester. Assemble a table or a desk. Average project is £22 to £58. So you can help. You just register with this app and just wait. And they give you a notification if there is a job that lines up with your skills, right? Mounting a TV or a monitor. Project £23 to £38. Right, look at this one. Using your truck to move boxes, you are expecting to earn from £16 to £55. Clean bathroom and kitchen, £13 to £27. Right, and so forth. Fix a running toilet. Look at this. These are all fantastic payments, right, that you can get as a tasker. Everyday life made easier. When life gets busy, you don't have to tackle it alone. Get time back for what you love without breaking the bank. Choose your tasker by reviews, skills, and price. Schedule when it works for you, as early as today. Chat, pay, tip, and review all through one platform. So the platform they're talking about is the app, okay? And it's all fantastic. You can look at some featured taskers here. 100% positive reviews, 89 completed tasks. That one, 98%, and 131 completed tasks. And you can see what they're doing, right? Pet sitting, £35 per hour. Furniture assembly, £35 per hour. Handyman, £35 per hour. Okay, so you can come here and you could be soon featured here as one of the best taskers. All right, so this is how you do it. And here in the UK, it's everywhere in these cities: Birmingham, Brighton, Bristol, Cardiff. And in other countries, it's in the US, in Canada, in France, in Germany, and in Spain. Right. If you are not in any of these countries, then let me know in the comments so that I can make videos tailor-made to suit your country. Okay. So this is how you can make some side income, my friend. Obviously, you get some money to put gas in your car, to buy some groceries for your family or for yourself, to buy some shoes, small things, this and that. What I've just described to you right here is what is called active income, right? You are actively involved in generating the money. It's just like 9 to 5. The minute you stop doing any projects, any tasks, that's the minute when your money also drops down to zero, right? But let me just give you some cool announcement right here, my friend, that the internet has leveled the ground for everyone. That regular people, ordinary people like you and me, we can now start to make some decent amounts of money leveraging the power of the internet. What I'm talking about right now is called AutoPilot business, right? You can set up a money-making machine in motion, and then this money-making machine goes to work for you 24/7, 365, whilst you are asleep, whilst you are traveling on vacation, whilst you are spending quality time with your loved ones, with your friends, with your wife, with your husband, with your children, whilst you are doing the more important things of life, whilst you are on your dream vacation, visiting some of the most remote places that you dreamt of visiting from a long time ago. Why? Because catching money is getting into your bank account on autopilot. Okay, I've got a link in the description below that can give you more information on what I've just hinted on right now. Okay, if you found value in this video, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see each other in the next videos. See you later. Bye.